Move over Insomnia Cookies. Let's make homemade vegan chocolate chip cookies with crispy edges, soft middles, and a bakery-style taste that no one will know are vegan. In a medium bowl, whisk together your flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Set it aside. For the egg replacement, I use a simple plant milk and cornstarch mixture because it binds everything together without making the cookies cakey. It keeps them chewy in the middle and crisp around the edges, and I don't need to add flax or chia seeds. Now, in a large bowl, whisk your melted, cooled vegan butter with brown sugar and regular sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want it thick, glossy, and paste-like. Add the cornstarch mixture along with vanilla and whisk until fully combined. Add the flour mixture and gently fold. When you still see a few flour streaks, fold in the chocolate chips. Don't overmix, but make sure all the flour is incorporated. Scoop big, rough mounds onto the baking sheet, leaving plenty of space. Leave them tall and rough for thicker cookies, or roll them smooth for flatter ones. Both are fine. Bake for about 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, until the edges are golden and the centers are still soft. Right out of the oven, press extra chocolate chips on top and sprinkle flaky salt if desired. Crisp edges, soft centers, and absolute cookie perfection that no one will know is vegan. Visit Nuts and Twigs for all the details.